the day which is marked as the Day of Youths. And the epitome of this is none other than our beloved Swami Vivekananda. It's a very small part if we start saying that oceans are turbulent while you are seeing from the seashore, while you are going into the deep and deep, you will see it is very profound, calm and quiet. A monk in his attire and a revolutionary, Ma once said that she was very much grieved when Swamiji's untimely death has come up. But at the same time, she said that it is good that Naren has died, expired. Otherwise, the Britishers either kept him inside the prison or shoot him. Just yesterday, our General Secretary Maharaj, in his address, we all are familiar with this fact. So such a revolutionary, Bal Gangadhar Tilak in the year 1897, 14th of August, discussing, says, Swamiji, boon us. When we will get our much coveted freedom? Swamiji said, it will be coming in very unacceptable time, unexpected time. And just on 14th August 1947, it was happened. This year, since 1985, the central government has declared this day as National Youth Day. But this year is having a special mentioning as it is the Platinum Jubilee, that is the 75th years of our independence. So the central government has decided to celebrate this year of National Youth Day since 12th January onwards till 15th of August. And type of cultural, academic activities, most importantly, we have to feel and understand and to reciprocate the understanding of Swamiji. So, without much ado, we know the importance of this day. Our teachers, monks and staff members has tried to present a very intellectual evening tonight. Hope with everybody's active participation, this evening will really become an eventful and significant, and it will really cherish us and enthusiasm us to go forward, because youth has no limit, no boundary. So at the first, I would like to request Brahmachari Atula Chaitanya Maharaj to inaugurate this gala evening with the Sanskrit hymn. Maharaj, please.
अनीत दृश्य सर्वेषु विवेच्य नित्यम् तस्मिन् समाधत्त इह स्मलीलया विवेकवैराग्य विशुद्धचित्तम् विवेकवैराग्य विशुद्धचित्तम् योऽसौ विवेकी तमहं नमामि योऽसौ विवेकी तमहं नमामि विवेकजानन्द निमग्नचित्तम् विवेकनानैक विनोदशीलम् विवेकभासा कमनीयकान्तिम् विवेकभासा कमनीयकान्तिम् विवेकिनं तं सततं नमामि विवेकिनं तं सततं नमामि रीतं च मे ज्ञानम् अधिश्रयत्यत् निरन्तरमचादि मदान्तहीनं सुखं स्वरूपं प्रकरोति यस्य सुखं स्वरूपं प्रकरोति यस्य आनन्दमूर्तिं तमहं नमामि आनन्दमूर्तिं तमहं नमामि यथान्धं हि तमो निहन्ति विष्णो यथा दुष्ट जनाश्चिनत्ति तथैव यस्याखिलनेत्रलोभम् तथैव यस्याखिलनेत्रलोभम् रूपं त्रितापं विमुखे करोति रूपं त्रितापं विमुखे करोति तं देशिकेन्द्रं परमं पवित्रम् विश्वस्य पालकं मधुरं यतीन्द्रं हिताय नृणां नरमूर्तिमन्तं हिताय नृणां नरमूर्तिमन्तं विवेक आनन्दमहं नमामि विवेक आनन्दमहं नमामि यतिराजाय विवेकानन्दसूरये सच्चित्सुखस्वरूपाय स्वामिने तापहारिणे स्वामिने